All right, we are just about set to start basically concrete surfacing these front steps. I patched, I think last fall, some of the rocks in the concrete and cement were popping out. And we've replaced the railing, so there's patches where the railing used to be. They're just kind of a hot mess. They could use a refresh. So I went ahead and laid down paper and tape and just kind of all the protective stuff this morning. It's a pain and it takes a while, but I think it'll, in the long run, be really helpful. And then here's my fancy supply station. I've got water to mix the concrete and moisten the steps before I do any concrete work, or else the steps will just suck up all the moisture out of the concrete. So always kind of mist and make sure your steps are wet before you do this. I've got my 5-gallon bucket with the paint mixer and drill to do that. I also have a mask over there. The chemicals, or excuse me, the dust particles in concrete are real, something I don't want to breathe. I've got concrete dye there, my bag of concrete, lots of pairs of shoes apparently, and then I have a squeegee and a concrete broom as well. So more to come, but here's the before shot, and most importantly,